Sorry to guys, magtatagalog muna ako, okay? But sa English, I'm so sorry. So, forget what I am saying na. I'm sorry, I have a 6 today. And sorry for not posting the other part, okay? I'm so sorry. But let's go and do. Okay, it's the morning and she have nothing. She's just wanna walk today with her dog. So let's pick some outfit. No. We have to. Sorry guys, I have a 6 today. Okay, so please understand me. Okay, so I'm so sorry about the noise. They are just arguing. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Wait guys, okay. Okay guys, I'm back and we have to do this and no. She's done off doing this, then we have the toothbrush and oh my gosh, I forget what I am sorry. So I'm so sorry. I'm so very sorry. Oh my gosh, what happened to my teeth? Okay, guys. I'm just gonna fix my teeth. Okay, bye. I'm gonna see you later. Okay. I'm just gonna fix my teeth. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm back, and the teeth is good na. Okay. And let's pick her outfit. Let's pick this. I like this. And I think I'm gonna pick this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna pick this shoes. Okay, guys, I'm so very sorry of the that loud noise. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about that. Don't be angry at me. Okay, I'm so sorry about that noise. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. I'm so sorry about that. They're just talking about work, okay, and business. So I'm so sorry of their conversation speaking loud. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, can I just pick this? No. Okay, I like this. I'm so sorry about that. Let's pick. I would like to for my cat. Okay, I am gonna give you some a little tour of my house. I'm so sorry about this because this house is gonna turn into a salon, beauty salon, and the upstairs is gonna be my room. Okay, so let's go outside. Where's it? Open it, open it. Oh my gosh. What else? Why is it not coming off? I am getting angry. I'm sorry guys about that attitude. Okay? I'm so sorry. Let's go and get some car. Okay, they are here now. Girl, don't be scared. Everything is gonna be fine. Okay, bye-bye. I will gonna give you in cash, okay? In Gcash. Okay, I wanna be here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh, no. No. Pet is not allowed here. Okay. Okay, she's gonna sleep because her owner just let her out of this store. Okay, oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want this necklace. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad. I think I'm gonna buy this. Okay. Let's just put that there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so very beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is going to be beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Never mind. Let's just look around. Oh my gosh, where is the box? I wanna buy, but where is the like paper bag? Yeah, like that. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. I'm gonna go home. Okay, they are here now. Don't worry, my little cat. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry about. Okay, that what you saw. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that. I'm sorry. I'm joking. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I just ate. Okay. I mean, eat like I am eating food, not ate. Okay. I hate my sick. Okay. Oh my gosh, my two dogs is waiting for me. Okay, let's just put her here. Let's just make her sleep. Okay, they are sleeping, so okay, guys. Mm. Oh my gosh. You guys, do you know Yuri and JJ from Ang Mutya ng Section A? They are my favorite. And I ship them. Okay, don't hate me. Darling, darling, how about darling, darling? Patalan, tulan, patalan, tulan. Later, I'm gonna wash my dirty clothes. Okay, first let's clean my room. Just gonna put this here. I'm so sorry about the sound. Okay, I am really sorry about the sound. Okay, so see you in part 2.